5 AI side hustles, $1,000 a month, no skills needed. I tested all 5. Here's exactly how much each one made me and how you can start today for free. Method 1. AI blog articles, $212 last month. Here's the process. Find low competition keywords on Ubersuggest. Paste them into ChatGPT with a detailed prompt. Edit the output for 20 minutes. Add your own voice. Fix robotic sentences. Publish on WordPress. Repeat until you have 30 to 50 articles. Monetize with Ezoic ads. I have 43 articles. Took 3 months to build. Now it earns passively while I do nothing. This is the slowest method, but the most passive. Method 2. Faceless AI YouTube channel. $185 in just 2 months. Pick a high-paying niche like finance or tech. Use ChatGPT for scripts, 11 Labs for voice, $5 a month, Midjourney for visuals, CapCut to edit. Each video takes 4 to 6 hours. Finance channels earn $15 to $30 per 1,000 views. The growth is exponential. Month 1 was $50. Month 2 was $185. By month 6, this should hit 1,000 on its own. Method 3. AI digital products on Etsy. $215 last month. I sell planners, wall art, resume templates, all made with Canva and Midjourney. The process. Study bestsellers on Etsy. Ask ChatGPT for unique product angles. Create in Canva list on Etsy. No shipping. Digital downloads deliver automatically. I have 47 products. Some make 0. 3 of them make $30 to $50 each per month. It's a numbers game. More products equals more income. 15 to 30 minutes per product. Method 4, my favorite. AI social media ghostwriting. $410 last month. 15 minutes a day. Here's how. Entrepreneurs need daily Twitter and LinkedIn posts, but have no time. You write their posts using ChatGPT, edit for their voice, schedule with buffer. I charge $100 to $160 per client per month. Found clients on Upwork, applied to 30 gigs, landed 3 in 2 weeks. 5 minutes per client per day. 3 clients, that's it. This method has the best time to money ratio on this entire list. 15 minutes a day for $400 per month, and every happy client refers another client. Method 5. AI thumbnail design service. $25 so far. Just started 3 weeks ago, but the potential is massive. Millions of YouTubers need thumbnails. Professional designers charge $50 to $150. I charge $15 to $25 using Midjourney plus Canva. 20 minutes per thumbnail. At just 5 orders per week, that's $400 per month. Listed on Fiverr. The demand is unlimited. The ceiling on this one is the highest of all 5 methods. Total across all 5, $1,047 last month. Blog, $212. YouTube, $185. Etsy, $215. Ghostwriting, $410. Thumbnails, $25.